What is up everyone? Welcome to my channel. My name is Clara and it's great to have you here. I hope you are all doing great. In today's video I am gonna make a huge giant bowl of salad with chicken, mango, avocado, quinoa, and we are also gonna make homemade dressing. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, hit the thumbs up and comment below if you tried this recipe and how did you like it. And let's get to it. For this recipe we are going to need 400 grams of chicken breast, quinoa. I'm using the tricolor one, that is the mix of white, red and black quinoa. 1 cucumber, this one is big so I am going to use just the half. Iceberg lettuce or romaine lettuce, half of red onion, mango, avocado, half cup of cherry tomatoes and little bit of sunflower seeds. We are going to need little bit of cilantro, but you can also use parsley if you don't like cilantro like me. And garlic powder, salt and pepper, olive oil, and that's it. I am filling 3/4 of the cup with the quinoa. I am going to wash it up with the warm water. Then I am going to put it in the pot and fill it up with the double so-fill water. So that's going to be 1.5 cup of water. And I'm going to cook the quinoa on the low temperature for 15 minutes and put the lid over it. In the meantime, I pounded my chicken and I'm going to season it with the salt, pepper and garlic powder. I am setting the stove on the medium temperature and heating up the oil, then cooking the meat nice all the way through so it's gold outside and juicy inside. At this point the quinoa is done. I'm going to set it on the side for another 10 or 15 minutes, and also the chicken I am going to put it on the plate and let it cool down. Now we need to let the quinoa cool down and I'm going to mix it up a little bit so the hot air goes away. We are going to use a big serving bowl and starting with the quinoa we are going to layer everything up. Then we are continuing with the iceberg lettuce, with the chicken, mango, cucumber, avocado, red onion, cherry tomatoes and parsley or cilantro. A ripe avocado is easy to peel and dice like this, you don't need any special tools. At the end, we are going to add to the salad cilantro and sunflower seeds. The salad is ready and we are going to make easy homemade dressing. We are going to mix half cup of extra virgin olive oil with 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, then 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard and 2 teaspoons of honey, also 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of sea salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Let's shake it up very well, and it's the time to pour it all over the salad.
Wow, this is heavy, guys. So that's it. It smells amazing. Maybe we can mix it up a little bit and try it. So let's test it, guys. Let's see. Yummy. Wow, guys, you have to try this. Really. It's delicious. The dressing is really light. I love the mango in there. Chicken is perfect. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna go and eat the rest. I'm gonna thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the thumbs up and comment below if you really try it. This is worth it. So I will be excited about your comments and about your food experience. I'm gonna see you next time. Bye bye.